Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. We are making pants with pockets for kids. I will also tell you about the pattern we use in this tutorial and where to find that during the video. The tools we are using are scissors, a rotary cutter, clips, pins, glue pen, string, elastic band, safety pin, and of course, the fabric and the sewing pattern. The first step is, as always, cutting the fabric. I fold the fabric to get 2 mirrored pieces at once, 2 front pieces, 2 back pieces, the ribbons, and the pocket pieces. The first seams we are making is to join the 2 front pieces. We lay the 2 pieces on top of each other, facing the opposite direction. We do that because we want to get the seams on the inside of the pants. We install the first part of the pocket piece while we are at it. So we turn it upside down and align it with the pocket opening on the front piece. We apply clips here and we sew them straight away. We are using a Baby Lock Victory Serger on these seams, but you can use any machine you like. We join the back pieces the same way we did it with the front pieces, facing the opposite direction, and we apply clips. Next up are the ribbons. We fold the ribbons the wrong way out and make a seam. The ribbons are done and ready for us. It's time to mount the last pocket piece so that we can join the front and back. We align it, apply clips, and sew it. If you are using a tricky fabric, you can always use glue to keep things in place. Make sure that you do it in the same order as we do it here. Then it's finally ready to mount the front and back piece. We place them on top of each other. Both of them are facing the opposite direction, the wrong way out. We take both side seams and the inner seam at once. It doesn't show in this video, but I'm using some glue to keep things in place. The front and back pieces are now joined. All that is left is the ribbons. We fold the ribbons like this, and we apply clips at the opposite side of the fold to keep them in place. We turn the pants the wrong way out and align the ribbon edges with the pants edges and simply transfer the clips. Be aware that we don't sew around the entire waist ribbon. We have to leave space for the elastic band that we will place inside the ribbon later. We align the leg ribbons as well, and then we start sewing them into place. The pattern for these pants is available at happy-sewing.com. The pattern comes in sizes from 2 years all the way up to 9 years. You can find the pocket pants in the link in the description. It's easy to use, and our test sewers loved it. Make sure to check it out after the video. It's time to mount the elastic waistband. We measure the waist to my son, who is going to use these pants. Mine is 2 centimeters. We cut the band and apply a safety pin to easily guide it through the waist ribbon. When we have guided the band through the waist ribbon, we join the ends and close the opening. To keep the ribbon from flipping or moving too much during washing, we sew 2 simple lines along with the waist ribbon. I make 2 lines, using a stretch seam. The last line will also hold the string. And that's how we make these pants with pockets. Make sure to give this video a like. That would be appreciated. You have just watched an entire happy sewing video, so you should really subscribe and be notified every time we release something new. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Happy sewing!